Okay.
Yeah. I mean, a while ago they had the trucks blocking the road and stuff.
I'm saying if not. Well, yeah, we're gonna look at their car wash.
Oh.
What a trampoline?
Yeah, I think they got hit.
I think they got a little bit of mud in there. That or somebody took
was
a
all the
very
way up
dirty
here.
truck in there.
Cause there's mud all the way up against their house there. Stuff's washed up here. Somebody's smoker
Well,
laying here.
Oh, that's a lot of debris. Microwave. We got those in the fridge. My bad.
God, they washed some of that out right
You can tell the water was all the way up here because of the mud on here and the way
Yeah.
the grass looks.
And
The
you know the
trash
tape all
can.
over there.
there. It was like we're on a dirt road.
Where's he going?
Scavenging probably. There's a barrel. Oh, there's a little bitty rocking chair over there. Somebody's done got the other rocking chair. Shoot. I knew I
Well-
should have stopped a while ago.
No, the owner's probably coming to get it.
No, they probably ain't got no clue where it is. Oh, halfway up the wall almost.
Yeah, when we come back, I want to pull in there.
Who's the library center?
Hollow tree.
Oh, there is water up there.
I don't know if we'll have to go across the bridge, but we'll go across.
Tire and rim look real good.
That's cool.
Trash can.
Whatever that thing is.
The mud there.
Poor car that's way back there.
At least won't go to the elementary, old Burgess School.
Nice little right here.
Yeah.
So turn around here.
You can go to the next parking lot. You know, swimming pool parking lot.
That looks
You
like
can't get up in there.
Well, I just don't want to keep going around, not be able to turn around. Wonder how much got in here. You know I had to get up here.
It don't look